Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily ignore messages on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Messenger app. Then find a conversation that you want to ignore. Maybe someone keeps bothering you with their messages and you want to stop that. So all you have to do in that case is just swipe to the left on that conversation and then hit add more. That gives you three different options how you can ignore the messages from that conversation. The first is mute. You can tap add mute and then select a period of time in which you want that conversation to be muted. You can select from 15 minutes to 24 hours or even until I change it. So I can select any of that options. And as long as this feature is active, you will not receive any notifications from that conversation. Then, in any time, you can, in the same way, unmute it. The second option is restrict. You can hit right here where it says restrict, and that removes that conversation from your chats list. To find all the restricted users, you can tap at three lines, then at gear icon, then privacy and safety, and then restricted accounts. On that screen you will find all the accounts that you have restricted. You can get into any of that conversations and then just hit add unrestrict. And also you can block that conversation. So let's go back to the conversation list, and then you can hit add more and hit add block. From here, you can block messages and calls and block this user on Facebook. Select one of that options and then hit add block. After that, don't forget to hit add done. You can also find all the blocked users in the same way. Just get into settings, privacy and safety, blocked accounts. Right from here, you can unblock any user in that way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.